Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlink your Steam account from EA. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to ea.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your EA account. After you're logged in, you'll land on the main EA page where you can manage all your account settings and preferences. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can control different aspects of your EA account, including security, privacy, and linked platforms. Once you're on the account settings page, look over to the right panel. You'll see several options listed there for managing different parts of your account. Click on Manage Linked Accounts. This section shows you all the gaming platforms and services currently connected to your EA account, such as Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, and others. Now, here's an important note you need to be aware of before proceeding. If your account is newly linked, just like mine, you'll need to wait for a few months before you can unlink your EA account from Steam. EA has security measures in place that prevent immediate unlinking to protect your account from unauthorized changes. Additionally, you may have already hit the account change limit or the one-time link protection. These are safeguards EA uses to ensure account integrity and prevent frequent switching between platforms. When you look at the Steam option in your linked accounts list, you'll see a message indicating when you can unlink your account. Steam will present you with a notification that says you can unlink your account after a specific date period. This waiting period is mandatory and cannot be bypassed, so you'll need to return to this page once that time frame has passed. Once the waiting period is over and you're eligible to unlink, simply look for Steam in your list of connected accounts. Right beside it, you'll see an Unlink button. Click on that button to disconnect your Steam account from EA. The system may ask you to confirm this action to make sure you really want to proceed with unlinking. And that's how you unlink your Steam account from EA, keeping in mind the waiting period for newly linked accounts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.